Friends, welcome. Let's try to look at how to design a website background with the sound or sound background. The sound comes as long as you load onto the website. So briefly, these are simple processes that we use while trying to develop such applications, but all these have been displayed here at Northbridge Technology, our YouTube channel. You can subscribe or you can check for more of these. Let's go straight to all programs and pick Microsoft Office tool. We pick what we call Microsoft Publisher. Onto Microsoft Publisher loading, we shall have a lot of templates, but onto these templates we shall only pick the website uh, templates. Let's pick among the website templates. You can pick this. You can change the color scheme if that's what you want. You can change the font type, then you say create. So the wizard will create for us the website. Upon loading, it will show you a number of items. The more items you pick, these are all pages. So we may as well pick two to have three of those. So we can load our page. So when you look here down, it shows the number of pages that you have picked. So we can continue to format our template. We can continue to format the template in accordance to customer's idea. He or she might be visual impaired that needs to see these things on a very large scale of visibility. So we may have this to represent. We may have a lot of the information to represent here. So briefly, we have reached there. Our main intention is to have sound displayed in upon loading your web page. When you load onto the web page, then this sound will come out. So it is what we are intending to do right now. So we can as well go to page. Then reaching page, we shall look at page background and sound. Background fill and sound. You double click. When you try to open, our system is still a little bit slow. When you try to open the fill, it will have you with some good features that you may use in case you wanted to use such items. So still we can continue to background and sound, which you can see this side, background and sound. The page title, home, it's our home page. Hyperlink to new navigation bar that added to the publication, which is okay. File name, here we are looking at the file name. Or let's come down here to background sound. We have a dialog box that is asking us a lot here. We may have this file name before we go to choose okay, let's go first. Let's choose. You have to be knowing exactly what sound you want to use is located. You have to be knowing the place where that sound, or you can choose among these. Let's choose among these, then you say okay. When you say okay, the item will be followed with an extension of where it is found. Then there is loop forever. Here it will not stop singing, it will continue singing until the day the machine will get crashed down. So those are the processes. Here we have seen that you can as well pick the sound alone from the available sounds into your computer system. So from there you can as well say okay. So the sound is now embedded into your computer system, the one you have chosen. We shall make other tutorials to show up those other items that are displayed when it comes to sound. So here your your work has been given, or the page has been given a task of representing that same voice or that music or the sound to appear in onto your website or your web page. So briefly, that is it for now. We may we may we may continue to have more other websites or web pages that may be very useful to us. Briefly, we may have to end here for now. Thank you.